Hi everyone, welcome. I wanted to show off a little bit of an example itinerary and something that we can create, and I can give you a few tips for you to get started. This is an itinerary that I actually did use a few weeks ago when I traveled to California, um, and you can see we spent a few days in three different cities: Carmel by the Sea, San Francisco, and Napa. And there are links included here for confirmations as well as reservations, and confirmation numbers as well here with links. So in this video, we are going to walk through how to create one of your own, just like this. Get started. Go ahead and click New, and you're going to want to open up a new Google Doc. To create your itinerary, you can start by giving it a title. And perhaps maybe again we're going to Northern California. And again, you can give it a title at the top as well, and that could just be for fun. And the real thing here that you want to do is create a table. I find this organizes your days a lot better. So you're going to go to Insert here and then down to Table. If I'm going to be staying for, let's say, 5 or 6 days, you want to create a 6-column table, and then you're going to want one row for the days, and then another row, or well, let's say 2 rows for your traveling. All right, and I'll show you what that's going to look like here. So you're going to type in your days here. Let's say we're going to go Sunday, we're going to go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And if we are going to be spending multiple, if we're going to be spending our trip in multiple cities, I might maybe use the second row designating which days will be in which city. So in Sunday, I'm going to be in Carmel, as well as Monday. In Tuesday, I'm going to be in San Francisco. So will I be in Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday will be in Napa. So you can adjust the size then of your table. When you do this at the bottom here, that'll kind of give you that room for that itinerary here. The big thing that you might want to do is color code. I like to center these, maybe bold. You for sure can change your font, whatever you see fit to make this a little more appealing to you. But the color coding, I think, is going to be important when we're talking about the different cities. So if you want to color code the days that we're in Carmel a different color, you can go up here to the little background color. Maybe those will be, I don't know, blue. And then in San Francisco, those days will be yellow. And then Napa, those days are going to be pink. I had different colors in each column, and I'll show you how to do that. So if you'd like to create another row, you may tab over from the last column and it'll create another row there. And I'm just going to adjust these so they kind of all fit in our screen here. So what I mean by color coding your day, I know I'm going to be spending the entire day on Sunday in Carmel, so I'm going to be merging these cells. I don't need 2 different colors here. So I'm going to highlight both of those cells, and I'm going to right click or 2-finger click if you are on a Mac and hit merge cells. So the next day on Monday, though, I'm going to be in Carmel in the morning, but in the afternoon and evening, I'm going to be in San Francisco. So I'm going to click into that cell, and I'm going to go ahead and do that color change for that cell. And then on Tuesday, I'm going to spend the entire day in San Francisco, so I'm going to merge those cells by double clicking, right clicking. And then on Wednesday, I'm going to be in San Francisco in the morning, but then Napa in the afternoon. So, excuse me, did not mean to do that. So what's actually going to happen is I'm going to change the color here, make it pink. But then on Thursday and Friday, I'm going to be spending the entire day in Napa, so I'm going to merge those cells. And now, as you can see, it kind of gives you a nice little visual about which city you're going to be in on which day. I'm going to show you how to link a document. So, for example, like an email confirmation or something along those lines. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead back into your Google Drive, And so this is my Google Drive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click New, and I'm going to click File Upload. I have a hotel and a flight confirmation, so I'm going to open those up. And as you can see, they're uploading. So I have a hotel and flight confirmation upload into my Google Drive. What I'm going to do now is open that, and I opened up the hotel or Airbnb confirmation. And what I'm going to do is click on these three dots at the top here and click Share. And if you are going to be sharing this with anyone else, like a travel partner or someone that you'd like to keep someone that you would like for them to keep tabs on you while you're traveling, make sure that you change this instead of restricted. Maybe share with, if they're in your circle, you can do that in your group. Otherwise, anyone with the link would be great. And then go ahead and copy that link. When you have that link copied, you can go back into your itinerary here. And that was my hotel confirmation. So perhaps I want to put that here at the bottom. Maybe all my confirmation numbers will be here. Hotel confirmation. So I'm going to type that there. And then maybe I'll type in that confirmation number. And to link it, what you're going to do is highlight either, you can, depends on your style, if you'd like to highlight just the confirmation number, maybe the entire thing, something like that. You're going to highlight that. And you are going to insert a link. So you're going to either click Insert and then Link right here. What I also like to do is to be a little bit shorter. You're going to highlight and then press Control K. What you're going to do here is search or paste a link. You're going to click Control V to get that link that you had just copied and hit Apply. Now, when you open that link, you can see that's the hotel confirmation right there. And you could do the same thing with the flight confirmation. You can put it, again, down here for all your confirmation numbers. I might say this is my flight into Carmel, or I guess we'll fly into San Francisco, right, and drive to Carmel. Flight into San Francisco, maybe it lands at 8 a.m. So I'll type that into my itinerary, and then just to make sure that my confirmations are all in one place, I'm going to go back to my Google Drive. I need to get back into the flight confirmation, open that up, three dots, click Share. I'd like to share it with my travel partner, so I'm going to make sure that anyone with this link can share it, can see it. You're going to hit Copy Link, go back to your itinerary, highlight the link for the confirmation, Control K, and then Control V to put the link in and hit Apply. And now we are linked up to all of our confirmations. And maybe you can build something that looks like mine, or you can totally make it your own and customize. I'm really excited for you to get started on that. Please email me or leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you just like to show off your own itinerary. That would be great. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.